Welcome to our channel PreActiveFile. In this video I show you how to download Filmora 9120 effects for free. Note that we make a new channel. This channel is going down soon. So please subscribe our other channel. Link is in the description. So let's get started. Open Google and type PreActiveFile. Click on the first site. This is the site where you find all software with PreActiveFile's version. Go to search box and type Filmora. Here you can see Filmora 9 all effects with PreActive version. Click on it. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel and hit on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Here you can see all Filmora 9 effects link are given. You can download whatever you want. It includes all Filmora 9 paid effects and new 2020 effects. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.